Hey family, Antoine with AntoineBuysHouses.com. Today is Real Estate Tip Tuesdays, and on today we are talking about how to avoid closures. Now, with today's rebounding market, we find that some people are still struggling to pay their mortgage, catch up on payments. Now, some people are fearful that the bank may come and repossess and foreclose on their property, but there are a number of things that you can do. How and what do you do? Well, that information, you can find it on my blog. Click on the link above, or maybe in the description. Click on that link and you can get this valuable information for free. Have a great day. Hey guys, Antoine here again. If you feel that these tips are helpful and relevant for yourself, your friends, family, your community, hit the like button. Also share it with your friends, family, your community, also your network of influence. Thank you for tuning in.